Congratulations, you've started your first novel. Let's move on to a quick rundown of the editor. From the Stories page, click on the Story Editor. Once the editor loads, you can familiarize yourself with the page. On the left side, you can select your novel. On the right side, you'll see a variety of tools. Generate Analysis will analyze your book and update your world. And it will update all the information that the AI uses while making and editing your book. The cover editor starts here. Put in your description and generate a cover. Once your cover is finished, you can go back to Stories, and you can choose the cover editor to add text if you wish. We also have the Character Profiles page here. You can extract all of your characters from your book so that you can check them. And we have the Story Bible page. Story Bible has the world rules, such as magic and power systems. It also has technology of your world, society, its structure, locations, plot threads, timelines, and mysteries. You can also track factions and key facts. You can regenerate this as often as you want throughout the story, and it will update with the chapters that you've already completed. There are also an Analyze Relationships and Character Arcs page. These are both still in development. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I'm working on them. I also have a continuity checking page that, as you can see, I am also working on still. And at the very end here, we have your export page. You can export your book at any point during its process. You can export just a chapter. You can export all of your chapters. You can export the finished book. You can export it as a text, a docx, or an EPUB. Now, the fun part. If your chapter is too long, you feel like it should be 2 chapters, you can split this in half. If you feel like you like the chapter how it is, but you don't quite like how it's worded, we have this fancy menu here. If you highlight any text in your novel on this page, on the editor, you can click Improve, which will run a basic pass through the Claude 4.5 once again. You can rephrase it. Does what it says, rephrases it. You can expand it. It'll add more detail, more descriptors, or you can shorten it and remove some of the detail and descriptors. If it's supposed to be a dramatic scene, but it's not playing out as dramatic as you'd like, you can highlight the scene and click Make it more dramatic. If you'd like to make it more casual or formal, we also have buttons for those too. And again, where this is still the beta, I am always taking recommendations for improvements. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. You can use the feedback tab at any time. This will send them directly to my email as well.